No windshield. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. It's Dougcember, which means I am videoing everything I can, including fairly short here on my 2006 Land Rover LR3, which I have nicknamed the Lunar Rover because it has enough miles to drive from here to the moon. This has one little problem though, a very badly cracked windshield. See if you can see it better from the inside here. Yeah, you can see the crack pretty nicely here. And it's on the driver's side down there as well. So this windshield is going to be removed very shortly and replaced. And it does need it. It's not a requirement in this state. There's no state inspection in Florida or anything like that. So there's no issue with it causing a problem other than it's cracked. And this is not in my line of sight at all. The one down there is pretty much hidden behind the instrument cluster anyway, so I don't see it, but new windshield. This has been replaced in the past. It's a Fuyao brand. And it's hard to tell on camera, even with the 4K, but it does have the heating elements in it because these did have a quick heat windshield. A lot of Ford products in Europe had that. This, however, was a Houston purchased vehicle, ordered in Houston. Does not have heated seats and does not have any of the heated windshield equipment. So hopefully whatever they're bringing, because they have my VIN, will just be the regular replacement, because there's no reason for me to have those heating elements in a windshield that I don't have the, it's not even set up for. I'm sure I could retrofit it. I'm sure that would be lovely. There's probably a place for a relay and probably needs a wiring harness and all those kinds of lovely things. I'm not gonna do it. I did that in my E39 BMW. I retrofitted a rear power sunshade and a few other things that I bought the proper buttons for and ran wiring to the back. That was a long time ago. I don't need the instant clear windshield in Florida, so it's just really not a thing. Now, one other problem with these vehicles is this cowl panel here. Let's see, let me get around the door. It's very, very gray, and this rubber is not even close to the windshield. That is a problem because it lets water in. So I went ahead and ordered a replacement, which you can see right here is beautifully brand new. That has to come out anyway. The wipers mount through it. For them to do the windshield. So I'm gonna have them put this one on in replacement of the old one. Cool. All right, well, let me see what happens. Guy should be here between 12 and 5, and it's about 11:45, so it's gonna be like the cable guy. Hopefully he'll be here soon. That'd be great. I'd love to have this taken care of as soon as possible. Nice new windshield. Of course, the yard guy shut up as soon as he gets started, so anyway, across the street so I can get a little bit of a glimpse. He's about to take the one out. I see him putting the suction cups on. Windshield's coming out. Very cool. I would drop that thing and it would shatter everywhere. Windshield's going on. It's going to be so nice to be able to see once that's clamped in place. Well, y'all, it is done. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Got this beautiful new gasket and finisher here for under the wipers, and a beautiful windshield. Ignore the peeling clear coat, they all do that, which that's true. Man, that looks so nice. It's another Fuyao, and actually, believe it or not, it has the wires in it. It's really hard to see, but it has the wires and it had the connectors. So I guess if I really wanted to wire up this windshield, it's hard to make it out. I can't see it on the screen on the camera, but it definitely has the wires. Now, of course, I can't really do anything about the cracked dashboard. They all do that. But I can see it's so beautifully clear. It's crazy. Anyway, now it's time to make the vehicle festive, since I can't take it to the car wash for a few days anyway. And then we'll call it a day. Rudolph's ready.